Now, as a solution to that noise, I have this high performance chain loop. This is a high pressure canister. You can see that, right? This is a chain loop, and I'm going to be using it here at the pulley. You can see the pulley out there. That is where I'm going to spray it. That pulley probably has hold on, let me run this a bit now. That pulley what I'm gonna be doing is I need to get inside, you know. And I'm hoping it has reached that place. And I'm hoping this does the trick.